Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, December 8th, 2015. Well, take a look at this, folks. This is catching my eye, so I want to pass it along to you. There could be some major upside potential here on 3D. Now, 3D has been pounded for months. I mean, literally months, along with the rest of the 3D stocks. But look at today's price action. So here's 3D up about 2.5%. The volume's not bad at 2.66 million shares. That's actually better volume than the previous 2 days combined, and we still have about an hour and a half left in the trading day. So that's getting my attention. And again, the reason here why a small update on 3D is getting my attention on decent volume is because look at the S&P 500. All right, and we'll go to the intraday chart on the S&P. Let me flip over to the 10-minute. We are down on the day about 0.5%. So you have a weak market, and this sector in particular, the 3D sector, is actually perking up. And if we take a look at SSYS, you can see as well it is trading up about 1.25, 1.3% on the day. So again, now, you know, the way you kind of gauge a sector, right, is number one, a stock that's been super weak usually is weaker than the market. In this situation, we've seen a little shift today. Now, listen, today does not make a trend, but it's something you want to keep an eye on going forward over the next couple days. If you notice relative strength the next couple days and the markets are still weak, then once you see it more than one day in a row, that does get your attention. That should get your attention, and you need to be on the heads-up alert stage. All right, so again, you know, if we look at these charts, let me go to the daily chart again on SSYS. Look at this little bullish pattern developing above the 20. All right, upside potential is probably about the $27 level, the 50 MA short term. But again, look at it if I zoom out on this chart. I mean, this was a $130 stock not long ago, just about a little over a year ago. So, I mean, it's discounted. We know it's discounted along with many of these other ones in the sector. But this is getting my attention. Strong day. Bullish consolidation above the 20 moving average, upside potential to that 50 MA. Now, that's not a lot of upside. You know, it's 5%, 7%, somewhere in that range. What's getting my attention more so is the 3D chart, because this has a little bit more percentage upside. So here you have the same consolidation above the 20, strong day, even stronger, being up 3% than the SSYS, and the upside target short term would be the 50 MA at $10.60. That's over a 10% move to the upside. It's about a 12% move to the upside. And that's just a short-term target. You get these things any sort of momentum, and you could be looking at a short squeeze in the sector. All right, and again, you know, I like paying attention to these because, you know, anytime a stock is still a billion-dollar company like these companies are, you know, there's a lot of fear that, oh, they were going to be in trouble, oh, this or that. In all fairness, they're still a billion-dollar company. They're not going anywhere. Okay, and if you just see a slight shift in their future expectations, these stocks could double in value. I mean, even a double on this stock brings it back to less than $20 per share, but that's huge. I mean, even just a move up here to $15, 14, 15, this little pivot would be over a 50% move. I mean, a huge move. But look at in comparison, this stock was a $100 stock, so it's down 90+% from its highs about a year, 2 years ago. And I mean, just a small move back to 14, 15, all of a sudden you have a huge upside potential move percentage-wise. So again, you know, up day, nice little 3% move on this in a weak market. Gets your attention. I like the volume again. 2.7 million today is showing some good volume, so there is some accumulation going on, obviously by big boys here. This isn't the average trader buying 100 shares. You're seeing some bigger players jump in, and it is something we want to keep on our radar going forward. All right, guys, my name again, Gareth Soloway at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Come take the 7-day free trial to the Research Center. In the Research Center, you get swing trade alerts. When I buy stocks, I put them out to you guys, and you guys can follow suit. Take care. Again, take the 7-day free trial at InTheMoneyStocks.com.